Alright, Judd, tell me how to start a chainsaw. Okay, go. Okay, you take the chainsaw.
Ball.
Yeah, you put it down.
No.
Yeah.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Ball.
Uh-huh.
Ball.
Yeah.
Da.
Yeah.
Dida.
Yeah.
Ball.
Yeah. And then what?
No. Da.
Yeah.
The dida.
Yeah, the chainsaw.
Baby dida. The ball.
Yeah.
Dida.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, like what? Like vroom?
Yeah.
Like what?
High.
Oh, up high. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what?
Dada. So.
Uh-huh.
A ball.
Uh-huh.
Daddy. Oh.
Uh-huh.
Ball. Dida.
Uh-huh.
No. Dida. The ball. Dida.
Uh-huh.
Ball. Dida.
Uh-huh.
Then the ball. Dida. Ball. Dida. Ball. Dida.
Uh-huh.
Down.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Ball. Dida.
And what does it sound like? When you try to start it, does it make any noise? Like vroom?
Yeah.
What does it do?
Da da dee dee. Oh, da.
Oh, does it go like vroom or anything?
Yeah.
What does it do?
Da.
Like what?
Dee.
Like what does it sound like?
Dana.
Oh. And then, so when you start it, does it go vroom?
Da. Dana.
Uh-huh.
Bye.
Alright, bye.